Hey everybody, this is obviously one of the released constructed responses from 2018. Just a quick note, there were technically 4 of these released in 2018 for Keystone practice, but 2 of them, strangely enough, were exact repeats from 2017. So there's already videos on the 4 2017 problems. So there's only going to be 2 videos on the 2018 playlist, which are the 2 problems that were not direct repeats from 2017. Anyway, this one I believe is a Module 1 question. And it says, now again, I'm assuming you've already tried this and given it your bestest try and an honest attempt, basically. So I guess I'll go through this rather quickly. I mean, you probably already read this, like I was saying. Kyle has $4 more than twice as much money as Lana. Lana has X dollars. So Lana has X dollars, and Kyle has 4 more than twice that. Kyle does not have enough money to buy a video game that costs $56, but he has enough money to buy a textbook that costs $38. Write a compound inequality. Remember, that means like 2 inequalities at the same time together, connected by the word and or the word or. So we're going to write a compound inequality that represents all the possible amounts of money Kyle could have in terms of X. So Lana has X dollars. Based on the reading, Kyle has 2X plus $4 because he has $4 more than twice as much money as Lana. So you can represent Kyle's amount as 2X plus 4. And Kyle has $38 or more because he's got enough money to buy a textbook, but he does not have enough money to buy a $56 video game. So he has as much or more than 38, but he does not have 56. He has less than 56. And notice how this is less than but not equal to. But this symbol, because he does have enough, he has at least $38 basically. So we use that symbol, and then the 2x plus 4 goes in the middle. So there's our compound inequality. And I suppose it's possible that they want us to solve this, but we solve it here in part B at least. But what's representing Kyle? What many Kyle could have in terms of X? But what is the least amount of money Lana could have? So Lana, she has X dollars. Like X actually represents how much money Lana has. So if we solve this for X, subtract 4 from the right, the middle, and the left. Remember, this is literally 2 inequalities here at the same time. Like, we could break them up if we wanted to. We could have like this one separate, right? And the other one is this. So we kind of double dip on the middle, you know what I mean? And we would connect that with the word and. But you can leave them together like this, and like I was saying, just subtract 4 from the middle, the right, and the left at the same time, and then divide by 2 to get X by itself. So that's why we end up with a 26 over here and a 17 over here. So Lana has in between $17 and $26. She has at least 17 exactly, but she doesn't quite have 26 apparently. And so what's the least amount is 17. And then list, in part C it says list the possible or the different possible amounts of money in dollars Lana could have. So listing the amounts, okay, can seem a little weird, like, okay, so she could have $17, she could have $25, and I suppose it's possible she could have like $25.99, right? Because this means like just less than 26. Like it could be like this includes $25.99. You know what I mean? So when it says a list, you're thinking, what the heck? But hopefully you noticed up in this part of the directions where it says Lana has a whole number of dollars. So the pennies and this, or the cents, don't really count. And this would be the final answer. So I guess there's not that many to list, but she could have 17, she could have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25. Notice how we are not including $26 in the list. Okay?